So now let's see how we can work around with the perspective warp effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here under the effect section, and then once I do that, I'm going to go around and scroll down, and under warp you can go around and see that perspective warp is an option over here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this effect out over here in the clip, then you get a few properties over here. As you can see, like you can go around and change out the latitude of the perspective warp right here, and you can see that there's multiple copies of the same video right here, just like this. You can work around with the swing right here, and you can go around and turn out the footage right here, just like this, and it looks like it is there in a 3D space. Then you got roll, that means you can go around and rotate it from the side as well. You can go around and work around with the Z distance right here, and you can zoom in and zoom out right here, just like this, as you can see. So this is what you have right here. You can go around and swing it, and you can see that the footage actually goes around and copies out right here, just like this, and then you got this perspective warp effect right here, just like this, where you have millions of copies of a single footage right here. You can work around and have no, let's say, warp X right here, or no warp over here on the X or Y axis, or you can go around and reflect it out right here, just like this, so that you can see that it reflects it out right here. But what you can also do is you can tile it out right here. So what happens is that if you were to tile it out both right here, just like this, then instead of reflecting, you simply got a copy of the footage right here all over. So that is how you can work around with the perspective warp effect inside of HitFilm to create multiple copies of single footage on a particular plane and then work around with it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.